Hi, welcome to Indian Infra AI Insights app. Here is my code structure. So in this Streamlit app, what I'm trying to solve is Indian infrastructure problems. So here is my hypothesis. For example, one country, if it need to develop overall, then it need to give a more importance to infra development. Best examples are Dubai and Singapore. They have given very much importance to infrastructure development. That's why they are into developed countries list. So, for example, my point is simple. If we create or develop one small bridge which can help villages to grow economically, you know, 2024 is uh, for bridges and all very bad news where there like for example in Bihar in a week 14 bridges collapsed. One place we have a person like Girish Bharadwaj who has built over 130 bridges across different states, which helping different state people very well. So India started giving more importance to infrastructure. That's why it started giving more budget to infrastructure. So here is my app architecture. Okay, I'll clearly explain. I have taken this to another page. For example, I have taken data from Snowflake Marketplace data.gov where free data is available. We just need to log in and get the data. I'm just doing loading into that Snowflake DB and I'm taking weather API data also on a click of a button. The data will come to Snowflake, and also I'm using a RAG application here to talk to data at the end. Then I'm using the Streamlit app to visualize as well as chat with the data. So let's come to I went uh, to multiple videos and multiple documents and come to some conclusion that why Indian infrastructure is bad or it's why it's wrong. What's wrong happening? There are mainly four reasons, contractual reasons. So India still works on a L1 contract, means lowest method. So lowest bid company or person will get the contracts. For example, Morbi Bridge. So it was given to Orewa company, which is a clock making company. I don't know how it was decided to give a clock making company a bridge. The main thing is that only many cases only the bid price is considered over all quality and all. So that need to be solved. For example, design and structural flaws are there, safety audits. And so once bridge is developed, many concerns need to be taken care, or it should be maintained well. So accountability, one work multiple what to say departments are there in India. So then blame game starts. There are many other things. I have listed down all my what to say links which I went through and it is present here. Okay. So to solve this, what AI can do? For example, just an example, just think of a AI civil engineer where multiple contracts can be uploaded to the what to say civil engineer chatbot and multiple questions can be asked to this. Also maybe we can even improve this further and get the complete picture of contracts. So we need to evaluate all the contracts not only based on what to say bids, but we need to think as a civil engineer and uh, approve the all the contracts. Now this app acts as a civil engineer and it will answer any number of files. More than 300 pages also it can read. So basically it is built on a Gemini. Okay. So next what I have did, like I studied, as I mentioned, I have taken a data from Snowflake Marketplace. and we have a very good data from 2001 to 23. So length of the road is increasing, all the things are increasing, but the what to say, our traffic problem is not at solved. Is it really the solution to or to widening the road or length of the road increase? Is it that that is the main solution? For sure not. you know Next I explained other things also. See, for example, vehicle registration in India, the what to say, overall only 5 to 7% of families own car and all. Just think what will happen if more people started using cars and all. Still India dependent on public transport and all, mostly people. But still the car and all, if it increases, what will happen to air quality? All the things are what to say discussed in the next pages. Okay, so even train analysis, like how many passengers, there is a good amount of data available and different data set is there. I have did an analysis and given some recommendation, and also I did an analysis for civil aviation. Like number of people who traveling in a what to say flight is getting increased. Now there is a domestic load passenger load factor. This means 86% of planes are getting full. Means like more people are using the planes and they are traveling, and that data is available till 2019. Okay, so all the things are there here. So India mostly dependent on import of oil. Okay, 88.9% of 88.9% of petrol we import till 2023. So that's about 29 million metric ton we produce, and most of the things we import. Okay, what I used is Snowflake, uh, what to say, prediction model I have used and predicted till 2050 how much, what to say, the petrol is needed for our India. I have predicted that. So with this much need, we need to think of other sources, like either maybe EV or hydrogen cars, or there are many things. I have given a recommendation for that. Okay, let's come to uh, air quality. This is the left side, whatever you see, this is what we like to see as India. But this is the current, what to say, image of India. This both the images are taken from satellite. So especially Delhi area and all, everyone knows it. So here what I'm doing, as I explained in my architecture, I have taken the data from weather API. If I click a button, data from a weather API will be fetched and pushed to the Snowflake table within some seconds. And further, what I have did, so how AI can help to improve the air quality or reduce the air pollution, I have explained. Now, if you notice, it's 6:34. Yeah, so at this time, what is the air quality in Delhi? Unhealthy. Okay, that real time data I have fetched and I have pushed the data to Snowflake. The code is present here. So basically, on a click of the button, data will be pushed to table, and the same data is filtered out for Delhi. But all other states also there here. But specifically, I'm showing Delhi, and it's a capital of India, where we are facing a lot of air quality issues nowadays. So next, what I have did is a, what to say, complete RAG analysis. Okay, for example, there are from 2019 to 2022, all the road accidents data I have collected these are nothing but PDFs. Even if you just search road accidents in India, you'll get all the PDFs from the government website. So basically, RAG is nothing but PDFs are getting divided into chunks, and that data anyone can chat. Okay, for example, I have given a sample questions. Let's ask this question. So once I submit this question, what to say, answers will come within some seconds. See, basically, Delhi is highest number of accidents in this. Actually, India is already first in accidents and all. Okay, even what we can do here with this chatbot, right? We can ask to multiple documents. We can play with any of the documents. See, for example, I'll ask 2019 National Highway accidents. Then I'll ask 2022 National Highway accidents. Okay, and what will happen? The respective PDFs, actually almost every page, every PDF is 100 pages. Okay, so then I'll ask compare. Okay, basically, if you notice, the questions are going in a line. It is, the history will be saved here. Now, what is previous question? How it is relevant? See, 3.9% of jump is there in national highway accident. So I have asked multiple questions like this to this chatbot, and next page is created. Now, along with that, I have taken a 2019 to 2022 accidents in India, and the same analysis I have shown in a what to say, bar chart. So I was just saying, right, 3.9% of national accidents, national highway accidents. The interesting fact is, we may think that because of drunken drive, maybe more accidents and all. But if you think, over speeding is the first main reason, and that too, like 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. more accidents happens. There are many other key insights I have shown, and on an average per minute, sorry, per 3 minute, one death will happen in India. So also I have given a complete different ways how AI can help to prevent the accidents I have shown. So let's comes to final and much more interesting demo where I'm predicting a accident as well as preventing it using AI. So let's consider there is a car, and that is going at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour, and there are 5 cars in the road, and the young guy is driving it. So maybe consider the car age is 10. So let's predict what will happen if he's driving, and what's the percent of uh, what to say, accident, and what is the preventive actions need to be taken care. So this complete data is synthetic data. Also, what to say, I have considered almost 20 parameters. Just think of a scenario where we have all realistic data, and uh, we can prevent and predict the accidents much more easier. Okay, just see that it says even age is 16, which is at high risk, and it should be 18 in India. That also should be considered. It says that above 18 should drive. Okay, same car has been driven by a little bit experienced guy, and age just consider 45, is going around maybe 100. So what is the probability of accidents? So this situation ideally will reduce because of the experience of the driver. Okay, daylight is there, clear weather, everything is there. Okay, so based on this, the prediction and prevention all will come. So as you know, there are almost, what to say, for 3 minutes one accident death will happen. Okay, if you notice, I just think the vehicle is passed at this time and the probability of accident is 15%, and these are the things. So now consider same situation, and it's late night and rainy, road is wet and maybe dark and little bit night, late night. Okay, I'll just make late night. So in this case, what will happen? Okay, so accident probability is very high, correct? So let's see what will be the result. So basically what I'm saying, right, with synthetic data or whatever, the all whatever thought data, with this much, this data only, we can predict this much accurate information. Just think how much information we have with related to accidents. Like we have hotspots of accidents, particular latitude, longitude, particular road, particular many things are there. Like with that accuracy, we can predict accidents and prevent also. See, as per the latest news, as Nitin Gadkari and his team thinking to reduce the accident percentage by 50. So AI can definitely help uh, to predict and prevent the accidents. That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.